Hey everybody, I want to share a cute idea, in my opinion, a cute idea to stash money in your house as opposed to having money in the bank. I think it's always important to have money around the house, whether you put it in an old sock or something like that, a piggy bank or whatever. This is just a little, I feel this is just cute for decoration. And say if you have children in the house or teenagers or whatever, other people that stay with you and like you had to go out, for example, and you left something behind for them. Here's a pen and here's a notepad. They can write down what they needed to take out or what you needed to take out, or say if you owe money back to the jar, you can keep a notation right there. So this is my idea. It's just a quick video I'm trying to do to let you know. Oh, I used to have a food product was in there. I cleaned that out and I decided to reuse it. So just want to show you this quick idea. If you use it, let me know how it's working for you. And I don't know, I guess I actually came up with it. But let me know how it's working for you. See you later. Bye-bye.